DSLRs are the traditional choice for the beginners and professional photographers. There is a broad range of brands and models available with features to help you get the best out of the style of photography. In addition, DSLRs often give you a wide choice of lenses and accessories designed to suit nearly every condition you might be shooting in. I've listed top 5 DSLRs for beginners to begin with. Without any further ado, let's get started. On number 1 is the Canon 750D. When it comes to control, the Canon 750D certainly gives you the breathing space to develop and challenge yourself as a photographer. The Canon 750D has 24 megapixels, 5 frames per second, 1920 x 1080 video resolutions, ISO is from 100 to 12800, and the price of Canon 750D is $529. I personally use this one because it helped me to understand the mechanism of DSLRs, and I recommend others to buy this DSLR. On number 2 is the Pentax K50, a fantastic camera when it comes to value. The Pentax K50 has 16 megapixels, 6 frames per second, 1920 x 1080 video resolution, ISO is from 100 to 51600, and the price of Pentax K50 is $377. The Pentax K50 has excellent image quality and is weather sealed for reliable shooting whatever the conditions. You also have a choice of staggering 120 different color combinations. At number 7 is the Panasonic G7. The Panasonic G7 has 16 megapixels, 7 frames per second, 3840 x 2160 video resolution, ISO is from 160 to 225,600, and the price of Panasonic G7 is $499. On number 4 is the Canon 100D. Small but perfectly formed, the Canon EOS Rebel SL1 boasts exceptional image quality and user-friendly touchscreen interface, which makes this a popular choice with anyone looking for a versatile and affordable DSLR. The Canon 100D has 18 megapixel camera, 4 frames per second, 1920 x 1080 video resolution, ISO is from 100 to 12,800, and the price is $349. On number 5 is the Nikon D3300. You get a lot of camera for your money with the D3300. The Nikon D3300 is 24 megapixels, 5 frames per second, 1920 x 1080 video resolution, ISO is from 100 to 12,800, and the price of Nikon D3300 is $335. So these are my top 5 DSLRs for beginners to start with. Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Until then, signing off from Tech Therapy.